Exercise number 1. Flat barbell bench press. Lie down on a bench with elbow pin pads on sides with your back supported, knees bent, and feet resting on the floor. Grab a barbell over your chest with your elbows extended, hands placed wider than the shoulder width, and palms facing forward. Lower the barbell by bending your elbows. Allow your elbows to lightly touch the pin pads, return to the initial position and repeat. Exercise number 2. Decline bench press. Lie down on a decline bench with your back supported, knees bent, and feet fixed against the padded bars. Grab a barbell over the chest with your elbows dipped under the bench, hands placed a fist wider than the shoulder width, and palms facing forward. Raise the barbell by straightening your arms. As your arms become straight, return to the initial position and repeat. Exercise number 3. Flat dumbbell fly. Lie down on a flat bench with your back supported, knees bent, and feet on the floor. Grab the dumbbells in your hands with your arms spread wide, elbows slightly bent, and palms facing the ceiling. Raise the dumbbells by bringing your arms close. As the dumbbells reach close, return to the initial position, and repeat. Exercise number 4. Dumbbell laying pullover. Sit on an exercise ball and walk your feet out to bring your hips off the ball and support your upper back. Hold a dumbbell by clasping it in your hands while extending your arms above your chest. Lower the dumbbell by allowing your arms to fall backwards slowly with straight arms. Hold for a second, return to the initial position, and repeat. Exercise number 5. Machine fly. Get on a back deck fly machine with your back supported, knees bent, and feet on the floor. Grab the machine's handles while bending your arms and resting your elbows on the elbow pads. Push the machine's handles close by bringing your elbows forward together. As your elbows come close, return to the initial position, and repeat.